Today, we are having the annual seminar of the French office of Ciel Terre. This 2023 edition is dedicated to collaborative workshops with a climate fresk and a brainstorming about the way to embody Ciel Terre's mission and vision.
Since the beginning of Ciel Terre, we are convinced that solar energy is the key to replace fossil energy. But to develop large-scale solar plants, the need of space is huge. It's why, with our pioneer spirit, we imagined several years ago the floating solar solution.
To fulfill our mission, we aim to make floating PV an essential solution on the international scale. In order to deploy large floating solar power plants, our product and service division is dedicated to provide reliable solutions and smart services.
The Climate Fresk is a great tool to bring people together around a topic which seems difficult at first. But climate change can be explained to everyone, whether they possess a scientific background or not.
We all hear about climate change and the urgency to change our behavior to preserve our planet. I'm convinced that this climate fresk will turn awareness to immediate action.
Nous avons travaillé avec les équipes de Ciel Terre en vue de définir et d'animer un atelier collaboratif, pédagogique, ludique, afin de comprendre les causes et les conséquences du dérèglement climatique. L'objectif à travers cet atelier, c'était de permettre à chacun de prendre conscience des enjeux, d'imaginer des pistes de solutions concrètes que l'entreprise peut mettre en place en lien avec sa stratégie et son cœur d'activité.
We all have to contribute. It is a collective effort at both individual and company scale.
So it was nice to speak about it because it's not a topic we speak every day with our colleagues, and it was nice to see that in the end we were all on the same page.
Our vision is a long-term projection of the world we want, while our mission is why the company exists today, what animates us in our everyday job. And even if our teammates know that they contribute to a more sustainable future, they need to take ownership of our mission to give meaning to our current strategy.
People need to understand what they work for, what they provide effort for, and to be embodied in a collective adventure full of sense. Employees and management need time away from the office to create a convivial moments and work on the challenge company in order to progress and learn together.
In Ciel Terre, we enjoy to give sense in our action and to pursue to develop good, innovative solutions for our customers and for the climate.
Alors moi, ce que j'ai retenu de cette journée, c'est tout l'atelier qu'on a fait avec l'équipe d'Imagreen pour la fresque du climat. J'ai trouvé que c'était un super moment d'échange.
De mon côté, ça me fait peur. J'ai beaucoup aimé la fresque du climat. Aussi le fait de travailler en équipe, principalement en plus avec des gens qui venaient des autres départements et avec qui on n'a pas forcément l'habitude de travailler. Je trouve que c'est une vraie bonne chose et ça permet en fait de créer de la cohésion entre les équipes, travaillant sur un sujet qui nous concerne tous.